Welcome to this demonstration on Splunk Enterprise Security, a leading CM platform now backed by Cisco. Splunk is trusted by global enterprises for real-time threat detection, event correlation, and automated incident response. Their vision is simple but powerful. Fortune favors a resilient. This platform empowers IT and security teams to detect threats, minimize risk, and react faster using unified data analytics. Splunk ES belongs to a family of tools called CM, Security Information and Event Management. These platforms collect logs and events from across your network, analyze them using advanced correlation rules, and generate alerts for any suspicious behavior. Unlike traditional monitoring tools, Splunk adds intelligence, machine learning, behavioral analytics, and automation. Whether you're a small team or a large-scale SOC, Splunk gives you the tools to stay ahead of cyber threats. The first task is real-time security monitoring. The Security Posture Dashboard gives a high-level overview of the current threat landscape across the network. It highlights key metrics such as the number of critical events, attack types, and geographic source of threats. This visual insight helps SOC teams prioritize incident response. Splunk offers two main deployment models. First is a cloud platform, which is hosted by Splunk and ideal for fast onboarding. You get 5 GB of data/day for 14 days. Second is Splunk Enterprise, which we're using today. It runs on your own infrastructure or virtual machine, with up to 500 megabytes per day for 60 days. It's perfect for demo, research, or even lab-scale deployments. Once inside, Splunk provides a modular dashboard experience. Here, you can access pre-installed and custom dashboards for various use cases, from compliance reporting, alert configuration, and application health monitoring, to more specific SOC-focused features like audit trails and real-time event review. Everything is laid out cleanly under apps and dashboards. This is where we'll be conducting our 5-task demonstration. Each dashboard you see here is powered by real-time index log data and can be tailored to suit your organization's security needs. Splunk Enterprise Security is a leading CM platform trusted by global organizations for unified security, observability, and analytics. It enables real-time threat detection, incident response, and compliance monitoring through advanced dashboards and machine learning-driven alerts. Whether deployed on-premise or in the cloud, Splunk provides security teams with a centralized environment to collect, analyze, and visualize data from all across the network. In this demonstration, we'll explore how Splunk empowers teams through live dashboards, ad hoc searches, automated visualizations, risk-based alerting, and powerful system health monitoring. Let's start with dynamic search visualizations. What you're looking at is an ad hoc data source setup in Splunk Dashboard Studio. Here, we write simple SPL or search processing language, queries, and bind them to visual widgets. The left pane shows the query and refresh cycle, and on the bottom, we have a visual output showing firewall event counts by host. You can instantly plug in live data or CSV inputs like firewall_example CSV and apply aggregation functions like stats count by host. This is ideal for quick diagnostics or temporary visual setups for SOC investigations. Next, we have the Application Health Monitoring panel. This is one of the most impactful dashboards for DevOps and IT security teams. On the left, you'll see HTTP response codes over time, such as 2 XX success codes for XX client errors and 5 XX server failures. These spikes help you detect service degradation or attack attempts like DDoS or brute force. The right side of the screen shows performance, availability, and active user health, color-coded for risk. Green is good, yellow indicate a warning, and red signals critical thresholds. You can drill into individual timestamps for detailed event logs, helping you trace issues in real time. Splunk also supports base and chain searches, ideal for reducing query duplication. You define a base query, for example, top tags from outages_example to CSV, and then build separate chain searches for different views. On screen, you can see a column chart from chain 1 filter by count, a table view that renames and transforms data, a single value display that aggregates the highest event count, All three share the same underlying data source, but perform different operations. This reduces processing load and improves dashboard responsiveness. One of the standout features of Splunk is custom geovisual analytics. This airport metrics dashboard showcases that beautifully. On the left, you have average security wait times at different gates. The map layout is interactive, tied to live logs or IoT sensors. On the right, you'll see a donut chart showing on-time performance breakdowns and a list of arriving and departing flights with delay statuses. This can be used in real-world operations, whether at airports, manufacturing sites, or secure facilities, to track and visualize activity in a highly intuitive way. Task 3 is all about investigation. The Incident Review Panel consolidates notable events with enriched context, such as IP addresses, user activity, time of detection, and urgency. Analysts can assign events to team members, update statuses, and even launch automated actions from this interface. Monitoring isn't just about security events. It's also about the health of the system itself. The Splunk Monitoring Console gives you performance stats like CPU load, indexing rate, and concurrent search usage. Here, the indexing rate is stable, CPU usage is at 7.22%, and system memory is well within limits. If we navigate to Health Check, we get a list of diagnostics, from indexing errors and memory bottlenecks to license expirations. This ensures Splunk itself runs at peak performance, minimizing system-side delays during active monitoring. Task 4 demonstrates risk-based alerting, or RBA. Instead of acting on every alert, RBA accumulates context-specific risk scores. For example, if a user performs multiple suspicious activities, like accessing a sensitive file and logging in at odd hours, Splunk calculates a risk score and only escalates if thresholds are breached. This reduces alert fatigue and improves focus. To summarize, this demonstration showcased the depth and versatility of Splunk Enterprise Security. We began with ad hoc search visualizations, allowing analysts to instantly query and chart data in real time. Then we explored application health monitoring, where HTTP response codes and user availability can pinpoint system failures or malicious activity. We utilized base and chain searches to build efficient, responsive dashboards, and then moved into geospatial analytics, with location-based monitoring like airport metrics. Finally, we monitored system performance through the monitoring console, assessing CPU load, indexing rates, and service health via the built-in health check utility. Together, these features demonstrate how Splunk doesn't just collect data, it transforms it into actionable security intelligence, making it an essential tool for any modern enterprise. Over the past few minutes, you've seen how Splunk Enterprise Security empowers users with rich dashboards, intelligent search tools, and robust monitoring frameworks. From detecting anomalies to visualizing geographic metrics and optimizing resource consumption, Splunk's capabilities extend far beyond traditional log analysis. These demonstrations show why Splunk is trusted by modern enterprises for real-time, automated, and intelligent network security operations. The final task is automated incident response. With Splunk ES, you can configure response plans that launch automatically when certain conditions are met. For instance, if a malware alert is raised, the system can isolate the device, notify IT, and create a response ticket, all without manual intervention. This ensures rapid containment and consistent action. To summarize, Splunk ES excels in delivering visibility and control. It transforms raw log data into actionable insights. The ability to detect, investigate, and respond to threats using an integrated approach makes it a top choice for enterprise security. Its automation and correlation capabilities significantly reduce time to response for incidents. Thank you for watching this presentation. Splunk Enterprise Security is not just a monitoring tool, but a full-fledged CM platform that empowers proactive security management. I hope this demonstration provided a clear insight into its practical applications. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach out. Stay safe and secure.